flooding, and over a longer term, the depletion of the glaciers which are feeding the main river systems that run through South Asia, right from Pakistan through India and into Bangladesh. So there are long-term and there are short-term effects that we can clearly see, not only on a global scale, but also on a regional scale. The question about carbon capture and storage, I think it is a sticking plaster, and one that probably isn't very sticky, really. We haven't really done it at scale. We certainly haven't done it in terms of just sucking carbon out of the atmosphere.
Particularly for changing in and off education. And I was really interested to learn about the interrelationship between the climate change and education. I work for
diversity problem. So I was following, Conference of the Parties of another convention, UN Convention on Biological Diversity.
The British Council. Before I finish, I'd like to get a question from our online audience. Actually, this program is being telecast on Facebook. We don't have time for more questions. Of course, we can continue our conversation over coffee. We will have half an hour. And also, Alison will be very happy to receive emails. You must have seen her email on the slide.